5-star rating?
For thrill, I would say 10 out of 10. For control, I would say a solid 9.5.
Okay. It was a little slippery out there.
A little
some
slippery.
Points. We were good.
Alright, who should I take next?
I think Brett wants you to go in his car, though.
I'm terrified of that. Absolutely terrified.
Is Malik next?
Yeah, Malik's an easy one. Alright, Malik.
Don't look at me.
Let's go.
Go Rob next.
What's Rob?
I need to figure out a clutch. I need one lap to figure out the clutch. Go to Rob next.
Where's Rob? Oh, in that?
One lap. I don't know what I'm doing.
Alright. We're rating all the marshals.
Oh, I can't drive
Driving.
this shit.
This is to have May 9th off. The best driver gets May 9th off.
Oh, fuck. Whatever. I'll be here. I gotta bring the car back.
Just don't kill me.
I assume we're taking that one. Because the other one's a piece of shit.
You say that.
Oh, sorry.
We're rating on thrill.
Oh, thrill.
And handling. But like, not thrill. And
Okay,
handling.
I can just put it in auto mode because, you know.
Okay, good call. My foot was on the brake the whole time. I was not doing shit. Alright.
Rev it. Rev it.
There? My vomit meter is like at a 5, just letting you know.
You puke in this car.
I'm not gonna puke, but I'm just saying it's at a 5.
Out of 5?
Wait, I need a seat.
Yeah. You want windows down or up?
It's up to you. Last time they were down, I got dirt in my face with you, so maybe up.
Well, I'll leave traction on today. How
Beautiful.
about
I would love that. This is the one I'm most nervous for.
that? This one?
Yeah. 100% yes.
You want me to stop?
No, you can do whatever you need to do.
Okay.
traction was off.
Thank God.
It was killing a lot of power.
Holy crap.
I thought like it was.
Nope, the power was there. That was good. Okay. Alright. Thank you. Yeah. Okay.
No, it's big.
There we go. What's that? Traction.
Please turn it on.
No. It's off now?
Yeah.
Sweet. Are you sure?
No. Well, that's cruise. That's cruise.
Come on, take off my nannies. There we go.
There you go.
Perfect.
Just keep it on the track. Okay.
This is not fair. Oh, damn, is this recording already?
Well, it's been recording the whole time. Yeah.
Great.
You record you saying, take off my nannies.
Yeah, I know. What the heck?
What is a nanny?
It's like Brahma. It's like.
Yeah, like nan. Oh, okay, I see what you're saying. Okay.
I only got one lap of experience on this car, so I'm
Excuses.
gonna take it easy. I'm gonna pull all the excuses out. Red's coming too. Okay, relax.
I've not done that with anyone else.
Relax.
You know, I really thought
I'm
that
not
Brett
done
was
now.
gonna have the scariest one, but like you win. You win. For that thrill, 20 out of 10.
I like this car. This car's pretty good.
Oh yeah.
And it actually works now because I took the traction control.
Yeah, great.
It was acting up the first time. Making a bunch of suspension noises.
Mm-hmm.
I think it's easy as well. Lift.
Well,
There you go.
there's a little touch and go there for a minute.
That's fine.
It was fine.
Look at my hand.
I'm glad you're here.
What are you scared of? We're good.
We almost lost it two times.
No, we did not. We do this all the time.
We do this all the time.
We're good.
Okay.
That was fun.
At least you were.
We should do this more often.
We should do this
We should do this more often. That was awesome.
You know what? It's not me, it's you. You see that?
We were behind you the whole time.
Even
Oh,
Brett
hell yeah.
didn't
You
do
saw
that.
the full sideways thing? What?
Even Brett didn't do that.
I had traction off. If you want to go for another
No,
lap.
I do not.
Oh, this comes on. I was like, I've had the biggest grin on my face. Oh, yeah. 100%. Yeah, that is.
Oh my god.
So who wins?
For thrill, this one.
Yeah, really?
Yeah, we almost lost it twice.
We did not almost lose it.
Twice.
Wow, that
Not at
shocks
all.
me.
No, we didn't. You did.
Oh, no, that was intentional.
You almost lost it.
That was intentional.
Really?
100%.
Okay.
So you want to work on that?